Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about using instant search on Netflix to find results faster. Using the instant search feature on Netflix, particularly on the web browser or TV, allows you to find shows and movies faster by providing results as soon as you start typing the first few letters. The system is designed to minimize keystrokes, making it highly effective for quickly locating content without needing to enter the full title. Here are some ways in which you can use the Netflix quick search. Here are some ways in which you can use the instant search more effectively. As you click the search icon magnifying glass and begin typing, Netflix immediately displays relevant matches, including cover art and actor lists in a grid format. You can use a keyword combination instead of just searching a genre. Combine terms for sharper results, such as animated Friends films or British detective series. You can also search for creators or actors. You can type in the name of an actor or director directly into the search bar to see all the available content. Also, if your suggestions are stale, clear your viewing activity to reset your algorithm's focus. Account, viewing activity, remove all. You can also use specific queries if your results are too broad. Here are some hidden genre codes. You can also find some hidden genre codes by going into the Netflix website. All these will help you make your search quicker and easier. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.